everybody. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to use the phrasal verb give away as it pertains to giving and getting information. Remember, I'm only going to be focusing on one of the definitions of give away because I think this is a better way of studying phrasal verbs. Many phrasal verbs have a lot of different meanings, and it's best to pick one meaning, master it, before moving on to any others. So let's get started. If you hear the phrasal verb give away, you might think about receiving something for free or someone giving something to others for free, like when Oprah does her giveaways, like you get a car. And it can be somewhat related because in this case, we're talking about information that we're giving for free. If you give something away or give away something, you are revealing information, usually by accident, through words or action. You are giving people information they probably shouldn't know or maybe don't want to know. For example, let's not talk about the movie. I don't want to give away the ending if you haven't seen it. I don't want to share or provide you with the information of the ending of the movie. It's kind of like a spoiler when you have a spoiler alert online because the person does not want to give away the ending of a TV series, a movie, a book, etc. And second, we have the look on his face gave away the fact that he was guilty of stealing the cookies. So sometimes our facial expressions can provide people with information that we may not want them to know. With giveaway, we need an object because there needs to be something that we are revealing. And it is a separable phrasal verb. So that means that if you're using an object and it is a noun, it can go either in between give and away or immediately after it. So you can say he gave away the ending or he gave the ending away. Both are perfectly acceptable. However, if you're using a pronoun like it can only go in between give and away. He gave it away and never he gave away it. This works the same way for all separable phrasal verbs. If you're using a pronoun, if for a separable phrasal verb, it can only ever go in the middle and never at the end. In terms of information, giveaway is used when we're talking about revealing information that is supposed to be secret or not yet known. And as I mentioned before, it can also refer to revealing emotions that you may not want other people to know you are feeling. For example, you might say he gave away secrets, clues, hints. He gave away the ending, the strategy, the surprise. He gave away information about a secret party. He gave away his frustration, his anger by his facial expression. He gave away how he felt about something. He gave away himself. If you say he gave away himself or I gave away myself, it usually means that you're exposing something about yourself. So either your emotions, or maybe if you have a secret that you're hiding. If I say I gave myself away, well, then I'm saying that in some way I was exposed. I exposed myself in some way. It's not clear without context, but that's what that means. Or you could simply say he gave away too much. So maybe he gave away too much information that other people didn't need or want to know. And as a reminder, give is an irregular verb. So in the simple present tense, you can either have give or gives. I give or he gives it away. If you're using the simple past, it would be gave. He gave it away. And if you're using a perfect tense and you need the past participle, you would need given, as in he has given it away. Alright, so in today's video, we learned the meaning of giveaway as it pertains to giving and getting information. And now we will move on to a challenge question. So my challenge question for you is this. Has someone ever given away a surprise for you? What happened? So let me answer this question so you can get an understanding of what I mean by it. So when I believe I was in middle school. No, I was not in middle school. I was in high school. I think I was turning, That's right. I was turning 16, and one of my friends decided that she was going to throw a surprise party for me. However, one day, one of my friends who was helping to organize this surprise party, she told me that my friend was going to throw me a surprise party. So she gave away the surprise. And so I had to pretend like I didn't know I was going to a surprise party, and I had to pretend to be surprised when I got there because my other friend had given it away. But how about you? You can write your answer to this question in the comments. I look forward to reading them. If you like this video and you're enjoying this style of learning phrasal verbs, please give this video a thumbs up, and of course, feel free to subscribe. Also, keep in mind that if you like this video, this is actually a sample from my 21-day phrasal verb challenge, where I cover 21 more phrasal verbs that you absolutely need to know to better understand and communicate with native speakers. Every day you get sent a video from a new phrasal verb as well as a ton of exercises so that you don't forget these phrasal verbs, because that's really the hard part, right? Is remembering them. So if you're interested in that, I will put the link in the description box below. I will see you guys here in the next video. Bye everybody.